Hello family, friends and customers and followers. This is Touch a Class Painting and Handyman service, and what I did in this room is a total upgrade. Ceiling walls were skim coated, prime and painted. New flooring, I ripped out the carpet, put new floating floors, also known as laminated flooring. All trims painted semi-gloss white. Corner rounds on two corners here. Door was shaved. Closet. Quarter rounds around the chimney. For a home free estimate, you can call me at 401-696-1650. You can watch my videos on YouTube. I am also have pictures on Yelp, Google Plus, Nextdoor. I want to thank Jim and Cheryl Bacon for allowing me to do work in their beautiful home. And I also want to thank Gus. If you like my videos, you can hit like. If you can share it, I deeply appreciate it very much. I want to thank you for watching my videos and pictures. Have a wonderful day, and until the next one.